y'all, I have no patience. I'm on my way out shopping for a few things. This really has nothing to do with what I had in mind to go out shopping for, but I completely forgot that I had this stuff, and I was gonna go look for more stuff for a few like things that I have coming up. And anyway, my package was outside. Didn't even know. I don't even think they like knocked on my door or anything. But let me show y'all what I ordered from Fashion Nova. I've been ordering from them a lot lately. I feel like it's a hit or miss kind of store. But now I wish I was home because I could have tried my stuff on, and then I would have known, like, you know, if it's going to work out or not, because I need it actually really soon. But it is what it is. So this is one of the pieces that I got. It looked like it's really cute. It's like a lot of lace. And I love cream. Like, cream is one of my favorite colors. But I thought this was really cute. It is a bodysuit. So the place I'm going to, like, it's appropriate to wear this. It's just all about the weather. So like, if it's supposed to be nice, but it just be raining and stuff, and like, who wants to be in something like this if it rains? It looks like it's pretty long. I'm just hoping that it fits right, because the neck part, I'm not gonna lie, like, this looks pretty wide. Like, it looks pretty, yeah. And then it's cut low in the back. I can't wait to try this on, I'm not even gonna lie. I'm kind of like low-key want to go back home and just try this stuff on. I got this dress in a size medium, so hopefully it fits. Sometimes I get stuff in the small in Fashion Nova, sometimes a medium, sometimes a large. I'm like all three sizes. It just doesn't even matter. And then I picked up Aubrey a few things, just like little short sets, because she be just a few little short sets. So I picked up this dress because I thought this would look good with my complexion too. I don't really like bright colors with my skin tone. This is like an earth tone color. I love earth tone colors in general, like neutrals, earth tones, soft, like pink salmon. Like, that's my vibe. Maybe even a little lavender if I'm having a little fun. But yeah, this is like a one shoulder kind of dress. I didn't realize that it's like mesh, so you could get, you know, little skin tone under here. And then it has like the long straps. I mean, I guess it's like supposed to tie around like your hips. So it's like a little mini dress. I got a medium in this one, so I'm hoping that this one works out too, because this will look so good with these heels that I ordered, which I'm also waiting to come. Pick that up. And then I think I picked up another dress. Yeah, I have one more dress. This one I was the most skeptical about. What size did I get? I got a medium in this. I don't know if this is going to fit, because I feel like I should have got a large, but then like sometimes when you get mini dresses, and if you get a large, like it might be a little bit longer, but then it might be too wide in the body area. But this dress looks like super mini. So let's see. It's really, really pretty though. Like, this is so fun. This is so fun. Yeah. It has like butterflies on the back. I thought that was really cute. The color mashup, it's very tropical. Believe it or not, I'm not wearing this somewhere tropical. I'm actually not wearing this like on vacation. I brought this to something else. I can't wait for you guys to see. But yeah, that's what I picked up for me, and then like everything else is for Aubrey, my Aubrey girl, rotten brat.